Replacing, converting, a 1-pole 110 volts receptacle with a 2-pole 240 volts receptacle. To replace and convert a 110 volts receptacle to a 240 volts receptacle, the 110 volts receptacle must be powered by a dedicated circuit directly from the electrical panel. Otherwise, all electrical outlets served by that circuit will be energized by 240 volts, which will damage the equipment served by that circuit. Make sure the outlet is powered by a dedicated circuit, directly from the electrical panel. Turn off the circuit breaker that powers this receptacle. Remove and disconnect the receptacle. The junction box contains 14-gauge wires, so the installed receptacle will have a current rating of 15 amps. Mark the neutral, white, wire as the hot wire with black insulating tape or other means. "15 amps, 250 volts receptacle, front view. Hot slots. Ground slot. Receptacle yoke. Screw holes for mounting the receptacle wall plate. Ears supporting the receptacle can be cut off, if necessary. 15 amps, 250 volts receptacle, rear view. Ground terminal, green screw. Hot terminals, gold screws. Installation screws. Junction box wires. Bare, ground wire. Black, hot wires. Connect the receptacle as follows. Ground, bare, wire from the junction box to the ground terminal, green screw. Hot, black, wires from the junction box to the hot terminals, gold screws. Secure the receptacle to the junction box and install the receptacle wall plate. In the electrical panel, disconnect the main or subpanel circuit breaker. Disconnect the hot, black, wire from the circuit breaker. Replace the single pole breaker with the double pole breaker listed for the panel. Connect the hot, black, wire, previously disconnected from the breaker, to one of the circuit breaker terminals. Locate the neutral, white, wire from the cable to the receptacle and disconnect it from the neutral bar. Mark the neutral wire as the hot wire with black insulating tape or other means. Connect this hot wire to the other terminal of the circuit breaker. Restore power and check the receptacle.